So now we have done with decoder. So in case of decoder, we had a control inputs. Based on the control inputs, based on the control inputs, one of the inputs will be decoded to the output. That is what we decoder. Okay, so there won't be any data inputs. Similarly, when it comes to encoder, encoder is nothing but based on the inputs. Okay, one of the inputs will be encoded to the output. Based on the n inputs, one of the input will be encoded to the output. Here, look at here. An encoder converts an active input signal into a coded output signal. That's what we call as encoder. Okay, look at your diagram. These are n inputs and outputs. The active input signal, one of the input signal will be active. That input active signal will be encoded to the output signal. So that is what we call as encoder. So there are n input lines, only one of which is active. There are n input lines in which one of them will be active. Internal logic within the encoder converts this active input to the coded binary output. This active input will be converted to coded binary output. Okay, this is what we call as encoder. So let me go with a decimal to BCD encoder. So decimal to BCD encoder means, as we just discussed in the previous, there we discussed about BCD to decimal encoder. BCD to decimal encoder means 4 to 10. 4 to 10. Remember, because the highest decimal is 9. So 4 to 10 means it starts from 0 to 9. 4 data inputs and 4 control inputs and 9 outputs. That was like BCD to decimal decoder. Here it is reverse now. Decimal to BCD decoder. There we studied about BCD to decimal decoder. Now we are going to dealing with decimal to BCD encoder. The same, like there we had 4 control inputs and 9 outputs. Here we have 9 inputs, 4 control outputs. We have 9 inputs, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like these are like a switches. Okay, based on which switch we press, that particular input will be active. That active input signal will be encoded. Okay, converted to binary output signal here. Okay, for example, if this switch number 1 is active, so this will be converted like 0, 0, 1, 0, because switch 1 is active. Look at this, switch 1 is active. This is switch 0, 0, this is switch 1. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1. We have a connection here. If this switch 4 is pressed, if this particular input signal is active, this will be encoded to the binary code like 0, 1, 0, 0. So how this circuit diagram has written? Look at here. So 0, this is look at this table. I have written from 0 to 9. So look at this 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is nothing but D. So this there's a 0 no connection, 1 connection, 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 0 no connection, 1 connection. This is D. Similarly 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. This is C. So like that 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0 no connection, 1, 1 connection, like C. So then we have 4 zeros, 4 ones. This is B. So 4 zeros, no connection, 0, 0, 0, 0, no connection, 1, 1, 1, 1 connection. So then 0, 0, no connection. Let's last. This we have only 2, this with respect to A. So we have taken connection from A and A. So based on which input signal is active, that input signal will be encoded to the output signal in the binary form. This is what called as decimal to BCD encoder. So in order to perform this particular operation, we are supposed to make use of an IC called Either we can go with 7445 or 74147. Okay. Actually, let me explain. This is not given the explanation. They are given explanation 74147. But you need to have a notice here. Look at the input signals. All are bubbled. This is VCC ground. Okay. These are output signals. Based on the input signal, the output signal. These are like control inputs. These are data inputs. Based on which input signal is active. That will be, for example, if x2 is active, this should be 0 1 0 0. This is like ABCD, right? 0 0 1 0. This is 2, right? If x2 is active, 0 0. If x6 is active, then you are supposed to form like 0 1 0 1 0. This should be the output. But the thing is, look at here, all the input signals are bubbled, all the output signals are also bubbled. So whenever, if you want x2 show to the active, when you give the inputs like 2, like 0 0 1 0, if you want to make x2 as active like 0 0 1 0, this bubble will invert this one. It will convert 1 1 0 1. Because of this bubble, it will convert 1 1 0 1, or else this is low, this is low, this is high, this is low. Okay, so this will be converted to high high low high, just because of this bubble. Okay, x2, you pass this data, this will be active, so the output you are going to get this, but output it will not appear like this. Okay, it will appear in the form of high, like this, reverse, invert of this one. So the thing is, whenever it is accepting the input, it just gets inverted. Whenever it is giving the output, it's just invert the output before giving. So this is how the 74147 IC is going to work. This particular IC is for decimal to BCD encoder. So when they ask you to write and explain a decimal to BCD encoder, you are supposed to write this circuit diagram, you are supposed to write this IC, and you are supposed to write this table. So there, this ABCD in the previous decoder, we used to write this thing this side and this thing this side, right? So this is encoder is opposite to decoder. So these are control inputs in this side and the data inputs are in this side. So this, you are supposed to, whenever they have given H, it's nothing but L. Means L means low, H means high. Here everything is getting inverted. Okay, everything is getting inverted. So in the place of writing 0, they have written 1. In the place of writing L means low, they have written H, high. So when all the inputs are 0, so this ABCD will be 0. So they are not writing inputs as 0, rather writing everything as L, low. So they have written H. Everything is H, because everything is, before getting into it, it is getting inverted. Before going to it is getting inverted. So ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 0 0 0 0 0 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೋ 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 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಲೋ ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ ಕಾರಣ ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಬದಲು 1 ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಹೈ, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಲೋ ಅಂದರೆ H ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೋ, ಆ ಥರ. This 74147 is also called as priority encoder ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. This is what called as priority encoder. This is important actually. They will ask maximum number of times they ask in your examination. Priority encoder. Why do we call it as priority encoder? Means for example, if more than one input signal is active, okay, in some cases which is having the highest number will be taken as the output. Priority will be given to the highest number. For example, if in case x4 and x2 both are active, means in such a situation x4 will be given the priority, not x2, because x4 is highest number, that will be given the priority. So we call it as a priority encoder. So they have started from x9. So this is BCD to decimal, right? 0 to 9. So they are in the previous example we have started from 0 to 9. Here they have started from 9. So they have made it low rather than making it as high. Active means high, but they have made it low because of the bubble. If it is low, this should be low H low. So what is this? Low H low, nothing but 0 1 1 0. So if this gets inverted, 1 0 0 1, nothing but 9. So rather than writing like this, they have written like this, conveniently inverted. So when x9 is written like this, so after x9, then we come across x8, then x7, then x6, x5, x4, x3, x2, x1. So once x9 turn is over, it will be high. X9 8 is turn is over. In the remaining all the transactions, it will be high. So x7 remaining high. Before that, don't case. So because why these are don't case means no matter what, whatever the inputs might be high, low, before this ಯಾವ್ದಾರ active ಆಗಿರಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ this will be given the highest priority. So when x9 is active, so no matter what, whichever the inputs are high, so the priority will be given to x9 itself. So when x8 is high, so except x9, remaining previous any inputs are high, still the x8 will be given the priority. When x7 is high, so except x8 and x9, remaining whatever the things, they are given the highest priority. So here they are just written low HH low, just complete inverted signals. This is actually this is x1. So this should be actually according to H1110. If you convert this 0001 like this, completely inverted. This is priority encoder, decimal to BCD encoder. The same table in the other textbook they have given like this. Okay, look at here in the old textbook, one more old textbook, decimal to BCD encoder 74147. The same thing, that we have the bubbles in the inputs and outputs. This is a circuit diagram. This is your previous textbook. I don't think they're gonna ask you to write a circuit diagram, but you can look at this table. Look at they have given used L and H. L is for low, H is for 1. So rather than writing H and L, they are written 1. So when all are so here everything is written as H. Here everything is written as 1 1 1 1 1 1. When all are 1, all are 1. So here they have started from x9 to x1. So here they have started from x0 to x9. Okay, the same table.